How to transfer USDT from Bitget to Tonkeeper Wallet. For that, you need to first of all launch your Bitget mobile application, and over here you need to tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then tap on the Spot option and select the Withdraw option over here. Now since we want to transfer USDT, you need to use the search bar in the top and search for Tether USDT. Once you find it, you need to tap on it and select the option of On-Chain Withdrawal. Once done, you will be landed on this page where by default the network will be selected on BEP20, but you need to make sure that it is selected on Toncoin, because for Tonkeeper you need to have selected the Ton network. After that, it will ask you to provide the withdrawal address. So in order to get that address, you need to simply launch your Tonkeeper wallet, and here your address will be in the top. So you need to simply tap on it and your address will be copied. Now you need to come back to your Bitget account and paste the address in this section. Then in the address tag, you just have to leave it as it is. You don't need to put anything over here. In the withdrawal amount, enter the amount of USDT that you want to transfer from Bitget. Make sure that it is more than $10 because the minimum withdrawal amount is $10. Then tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to simply review the information, and if everything looks correct, you need to just confirm it. Now once your payment is confirmed successfully, you will receive your USDT in your Tonkeeper wallet from Bitget. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.